Hi, what's up? Member Pope here. So I want to record another little video, reaction video, just while I'm still getting over getting the COVID vaccine and everything, and I'm a little tired and all of that. This one is going to be just people versus just weather and nature, because I love going hiking. I love nature. I love being outside. I love, riding my bike, all of that kind of thing. But I absolutely find it hilarious when Mother Nature lays these smackdown on people. So I think I found a video that is going to showcase that, and I'm really curious about it. So let me bring it up and we'll get to the juicy stuff. I started a little bit past the intro here. There was one that wasn't particularly very funny, just kind of bounces her head off the reef there. Yep, he ate that. Oh my God, that's windy. Wow. What is... They're on a river? Oh! Oh, Jesus! Oh, he's getting sucked under. Oh my God. Oh! Wow, okay. I have no desire to do that. Actually, let me do it this way. This, I think, will be better. Oh! Oh! That wasn't so much man versus nature, that was man versus his own garage door. Oh! Oh, that sucks. Oh, that sucks so much. Your Jeep's just floating away. That sucks. It's just rolling on down the road. Awesome. Ooh. Oh, that's terrifying. Oh. Oh, that's terrifying. No, I don't want that. Oh! Oh, Jesus. Oh, well, he face planted into the water there. Alright. I wasn't expecting the umbrella to go up. Ooh! Oh my God! Why would you open your window? It's downpouring. Oh no! Oh! Oh! He's getting taken for a ride. Oh my God! Oh wow! Wow! He was getting some air.
Falling into some quicksand.
I don't think I can.
I know, you just have to do it slowly. You can do it.
Babe, don't tape it!
That's it, slowly wiggle it.
But the other foot's going
Yes,
up.
but it's not going as far as that one.
Oh!
That's good. I promise I'll bring flowers every May. Okay, I'm helping. And if you take too long...
Babe, I can't get out!
After all that screaming...
Fortunately for you, I got out. Oh no, that tent's gonna take off. That was exactly why I didn't want to have an outdoor wedding. Oh yeah. Down it went. Oh my God. That sucks. What is that? Is that just like pieces of the tree or something? I don't know what that was. Oh! You didn't need that board anyway, dude. Oh no. Oh! That's probably not what you wanted to do. What is that? Was that a dust devil? Oh, it is. Ooh, the only time I've ever seen a dust devil in person was actually at a Little League baseball field here in town. It basically just showed up, it ran around the field a whole bunch, and then it eventually dissipated, and we just went back out and kept playing. It was one of the strangest things I've ever seen, because I had never seen one until that point, and I've never seen one since. It just popped up, and then it vanished. Got a little bit more of this video here to go. Let's see what else we got. Oh, wow, that's a... You need like a plow to get through those tumbleweeds. I've never seen a tumbleweed in person, so I have no idea what they, what they really are, like what they're made of or anything. Oh God! He took out his buddy, his wife. Oh, what is this fool doing? What did you think was gonna happen? Why would you do that? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh my God, right over the fence. Right over the fence. Oh, wow. Wow. Ooh. Ooh, there goes your boat. That's a whole dumpster. Oh my God. That dumpster smashed into that car. How do you explain that to the insurance company? That was insane. That's a wave. Oh, wow. I have no desire to ever surf. I just don't. I don't know that I'd be out there holding a camera. It's a good way to lose it. That slowed it right down. Never drive in the water, you don't know how deep it is. Oh! He didn't get far. Huh. Oh my God. That scarf's gone, lady. That's gone. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. That looked like it hurt. Oh, what are these fools doing? Oh.
Yeah, cup. I'm getting the finished in the office.
Did you just run into that, what? Okay. Oh, well that was unexpected. Look at this kid. That's only ever happened to me twice when I was a kid. We lived in a fairly flat piece of land that was open. And when it got windy, it got windy. That was cool. That was fun. I love watching people versus Mother Nature because people are dumb and Mother Nature doesn't care. Mother Nature is an unflinching bitch and she will slap the shit out of you if you aren't paying attention. But that was fun. I'm going to leave this video here. Hopefully you guys had a good time. This video is from Fail Army if you're curious about it. But yeah, this is what I'm going to leave at this one. Thank you guys for joining me.